Hey guys, it's Lindsay Gramont, Royal Crown Diamond, and your assignment for today is to simply invite some friends over to make something like, I don't know, deodorant or bath salts, or maybe some diffuser blends in a dropper bottle or spray bottles of, I don't know, poopery spray kind of thing. You can make anything you want with them, something where maybe you have a few of the supplies or you tell people to bring their own spray bottle, whatever. Keep it super simple, but invite some people over to make something that maybe you already need to make. So every 6 months or so when I'm making deodorant, I do this, and I make the deodorant recipe that's on my blog at homemademommy.net. You can just search for deodorant and you'll find it. And I make that just simply to show people how easy it is to make things that they never thought they could make. I mean, most people don't think about making deodorant. They think it's easier to go down to the drugstore and buy some. Frankly, it's actually a lot faster for me to make it than to drive to the drugstore to buy some every month because, when you buy a stick, it runs out pretty quickly. Whereas when I make my own deodorant, I make a whole jar of it and it lasts me like 6 months, like I said. And I just buy little tiny sample jars on Amazon. I think you can get like 100 of them in a pack for very, very little money. And I just simply put a little bit in each one to send home with everyone who comes over, so that my friends have a little bit to try and go home and see how great my deodorant works. So something practical, something easy, something that people can see how easy it is to live a non-toxic lifestyle. And while I have them over, I share some details about my story, why I am into non-toxic living, why it's important to ditch, toxic deodorant or whatever else it is you're making, toxic room sprays or toxic cleaners, or toxic bath salts, whatever, right? It's a great time to be able to chat, to form, to understand what's going on with your friends, see how you can help them. It's somewhere where you can have your oils out so that you can chat it up a little bit about what it is that you do. So I hope that you guys will take this assignment to heart and set up some time next week to invite some friends over and just hang out and make something fun. Show people how easy it is, how simple it is to live a non-toxic lifestyle. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye-bye.